Assalamualaikum hürmetli көрермендер, sizlerмен аман елді Sultan Gamers арнасына қош келдіңіздер достар. Біз бүгін GTA San Andreas ойын жалғастыратын боламыз. Мына миссияға нешінші миссия? 4-ші миссия немесе 5-ші миссияны орындайтын боламыз. Достар, арнаға жазылып лайк басып жатқандарыңызға көп рахмет. Онда біз бастайық па, не істейік достар? Болмыш, что-то мы стимс, бастаймыз, бастамаймыз,
Marcus of Queensberry rules home, baby. Show the bitch.
Тұншық ойба өріп қапты. Жарай. Онда біз бастаймыз. Мен
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Man, hey,
Man cannot live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos? Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man,
discussion.
I don't want no chicken. Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
dostlar, mena oslayışa biz buna gördüğümüz banda болып Kızıl bandalarda başka Akbay dolanaklar bilmiyorum dostlar. Ökünüşki orayı Fakat
You know what people are like, man. Say they have love for you.
Karışma bizim yerimiz rayona çıkmaramız.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work and speeding away.
Bir şeyge kildik.
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9, fat boy.
Give me a number 9 just like his. Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Hey, sorry, bruh. You know I gotta know about mine.
I know, CJ, I know. I'm just trying not to think about it, all. I mean, I didn't know she was hit until it was all over.
Yeah, right. Let's eat.
Hey, don't we got beef around here? We've been getting into it with these fools.
I can't stand cold food. Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can.
Oh, shit. Trash can bitch.
Pass me my food. Hey, look. Kilo Trey scoping us out. Damn, Ryder, you a jinx.
Shit, them motherfuckers headed to the hood.
Drive by. Speed up a little shit. Hit it, go.
Dostlar, oslayışa battle bizim oyunumuz ketdi артынан қуамыз. Соған кеткен. Артынан былай соқсақ бұл құрлық өтті деп ойлаймын. Как сен ранее моя тему дискетчі ақты соқсақ. Кетер жиі толағына розыға емайы. Аттай жасады. Та, давай. Айырымды. Аттайш.
Oh shit, you got ketchup all over the seat. Speed up a little bit. Up in the business at hand. But these was clean bins. DJ, watch the damn road.
Chill, motherfucker. This ain't a Sunday drive situation.
My soda, it's all over the fucking floor. Well, you can suck it
Mene.
up once today.
Atlas kadar atla давай, atla. Hop. Shit, başlıklat buraya. Kaçtı kısmı yine.
Damn, that was some serious shit. Yeah, man, those ball fools won't try that again. Probably let's get back
Basit
to the
bir
road.
kızıl rozayı var.
I'm on.
Man.
Oh, man. That food filled the hole. You
chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blast or I'ma blast you myself. Don't you wild, man. I mean, wild.
And that's why you love me, baby. Ah, Jesus.
DJ, man, chill out.
Dostlar yazıp koyamız, like'dan daimi basıp koyamız. Unutmam dostlar.
That's one up for the road.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold. Y'all coming in for a beer? Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride.
All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later.
Hope you're enjoying San Andreas the right way.
Dostlar olsa çekermişsin. Daha param doğduğunda dünya param doğdu.
Man, if you can eat your
Dünya
food
param
while everybody else is
ana
losing theirs,
market
they
bandolar
blaming
canında
you, you straight,
üçüncü orayı.
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry.
Dostlar aslında
Hey,
canlı
Smoke, tell me why you moved out the door.
şavasını okuyundur.
Man, got some
Hemen
money
yaktan
for
fayda
art.
edelim.
I mean, it's a nice place. And,
İyidir.
hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
It's really not
Thanks,
that
man.
interesting.
I wish Sweet thought like
Sun,
that.
a lot of nonsense
He don't mean to
about
see, Jay.
suntans.
He's
Go
still
out to a
real tore up
nightclub,
about your
drink until
mom,
you puke
man.
and act like a
Here, get
goddamn
yourself a little
American.
smoky
You're on
smoke
the
on
home of
smoke
driving
and
rock
relax,
radio.
homie.
Dostlar, oslayışa biz videomuzda ayaktayımız. Kışıgırım video rolik oldu. Erteki kezdikçe bugün bir güçlü bir soğuk var. Siyah. Oynayayım da